Vivian from the Netherlands. I've done yoga teacher training, 200 hours here. And the course was an intensive one because it was in such a short amount of time. You had to do a lot of stuff. It was very intense, but very well thought out and put together. And it was amazing, with all sorts of classes, from alignment to asanas to mantras to pranayama, which I love. So yeah, it was really good. It's a beautiful location. It has amazing facilities, something that you wouldn't expect from India. At least I didn't, that it was going to be so Western. You had two persons in a room, shared, and actually really great to put together because the people that are matched up with you were awesome, and the people here are just so nice and so facilitating. And I was sick during the course. And they took really good care of me. They took me to doctors and to the hospital, so that was actually really amazing. My teachers were really awesome. I feel like I connected with some of them on another level more than others, but I think that's normal, that you always have that certain teachers that you can learn more from or that you can have more experiences with. But they were all very welcoming, all very open. They were willing to answer your questions if you had them. They were really sweet because I couldn't do asanas. They actually asked me how I was doing every time and how it was now. So they were really involved with your own process, and they actually saw what people needed during classes. So that's really, really a good thing. The scholarship is just an amazing opportunity for people that are less fortunate than others, and the scholarship was so profound. I've been looking for it, and then it found me, so that was amazing. And the scholarship is just the best thing that happened to me, I think, in this point of my life, of course. So that's great. Yeah. Location-wise, the food, everything was brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.